This is a Dempster Model 2 pitcher pump restored. Now we have it pumping from our well. Okay, now I'm up close on it. I don't know if you can see the markings on the side of it there. Dempster, Beatrice, Nebraska, USA. And then on the top we have a number 2. And so that works. Those bolts on there are stainless, so you can get them back apart, making this pump easier to service. And yeah, this is about a 20-foot well plus about a 3-foot stand. So yeah. And also this one, we put a flipper on it, so if it's cold outside and you don't want your pump to freeze up, you can do that, and then it'll drop the water out of the pipe so it doesn't freeze up and crack the pump. I don't know if you can see inside there, but there's that set of leathers, and there's a check valve in the center there. And that right there is our primer bucket, so just a neat little pump for what it is.